Drug traffickers have not stopped their operations because of COVID-19 restrictions, and neither has the DEA, whose sole mission is to go after them. Tonight, the hunt for the 3 most wanted drug lords on the front lines with the DEA. According to the DEA, the capture of the famed Sinaloa Cartel Kingpin Joaquin El Chapo Guzman and his appearance in U.S. federal court last year sent a message: you will get caught. With El Chapo behind bars, the DEA is now looking for his son.
El Chapo Guzman's son, Jesus Alfredo Guzman Salazar, and he too has been involved in the narcotics trade, involved with his father, trafficking cocaine, methamphetamine, and heroin across the southwest border.
El Chapo's son was released a few hours after his arrest because the Sinaloa cartel wreaked havoc across Mexico with gunfights and violence on the streets. El Chapo's son was involved heavily in the business of his father, and while Mexico may have come under pressure to release him in order to save innocent lives, the DEA does not feel the same, which is why Guzman is still in hiding. The second most wanted Mexican drug kingpin is Rafael Caro Quintero, who was involved in the death of DEA agent Enrique Kiki Camarena. Caro Quintero, known as the Narco of Narcos, is the Mexican drug godfather and one of the founders of the Guadalajara cartel back in the 1970s. Caro Quintero was released from a Mexican prison after serving 28 years of a 40-year sentence, after court concluded that he was tried improperly. The DEA has a $20 million reward on information that leads to his arrest. At the top of the world's most wanted list for the DEA is the new top drug boss in Mexico, El Mencho. According to the DEA, Nemesio Segura Cervantes is the head of the cartel Jalisco Nueva Generación. Not only is El Mencho the most wanted criminal in Mexico, but also one of the most wanted in the U.S., and a reward of up to $10 million leading to his capture is still out there. Today, El Mencho is said by the DEA to be responsible for large amounts of drugs entering the United States by land and by sea.
These fugitives in Mexico, they work hard to avoid law enforcement, and the Mexican government, in coordination with us, is looking very hard for these individuals, and they remain sometimes hidden in the cities at safe houses, and also they remain hidden in the countryside.
And like always, we are in your neighborhoods, on the streets, Fox San Antonio, and the DEA will keep you informed and safe.